Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both platforms so data flows cleanly. First, enable Kaggle API in your account and download the Kaggle JSON key. This lets you pull datasets programmatically. Once done, install the Kaggle CLI with pip and place Kaggle JSON in the correct folder. Permissions must be secure. Make sure Power BI Desktop is installed and up to date because newer connectors simplify imports. Now you have credentials and tools ready. Next, we'll fetch data and shape it for Power BI. Now fetch and inspect the data so modeling is accurate. Use the Kaggle CLI to download the dataset you selected, unzip locally and scan sample files to find primary tables and keys. Then open Power BI and use Power Query to load those CSVs. Here you combine files when needed, define data types, trim columns, and remove duplicates. Because Power Query is step-driven, apply transformations in logical order. Filter, split, merge so refreshes remain reliable. Once shaped, apply and load to the model. Finish by modeling and building interactive reports for insights. In the data view, create relationships between tables and write DAX measures for totals, ratios, and time intelligence. Ensure granularity matches your visuals. Then design charts, slicers, and bookmarks. Optimize visuals that query large tables. If refreshes or imports fail, check the Kaggle download succeeded, confirm file encoding and column headers, and step through Power Query to find the failing step. If needed, re-download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.